What's up everybody, Rishi here, and in this video we will learn more about the process of list building. There are always two components to list building, front end and back end. The goal of the front end is to only collect leads. That's why we either promote low ticket offers or we give any giveaways like free ebook, series of tip videos, etc. Remember that this is exactly what we are helping the advertisers with, that is to help them collect leads. But now, not only are we collecting leads for ourselves, but we will also be promoting his offers in the back end. So now let's talk about the process again. Basically, we are going to target the traffic that is coming from the long tail information keywords or how to keywords. The link in our description will be going to a squeeze page. Once they opt in into a squeeze page, they will go into a funnel where we'll be promoting them via email. That is, promoting the offers via email. Now, one important thing to remember here is that we can only promote offers that allow email traffic. Just as we had offer restrictions that allowed only social traffic or YouTube traffic. That's why at this stage, if you are working with a few CPA networks, it would be great because you will be able to test offers across different networks rather than use all offers that allow email traffic from only one network. Kind of offers that work well with the squeeze page method are dating, gaming, health, even free offers like iPads, gifts cards, etc. So now let us look at each of the elements in more detail. We have already discussed about the long tail information keywords and the kind of YouTube video that we need to make, which could be any video that offers tips to solve a problem. So what are squeeze pages? Squeeze pages are specifically designed to compel visitors to opt in to our autoresponder mailing list. A well-designed squeeze page should also be able to convert our visitors easily into opting into our email list or into our funnel. We also need to remember that by using squeeze pages, we are actually pre-selling our offer. We are not forcing people to make a buying decision on our squeeze page. But we need to give them a reason to opt in. These are called as giveaways. This could be in the form of a free report, free 7-day video course, etc. So the important components of a good squeeze page are, it should be simple, it should have a good compelling headline, a curiosity driven headline, a list of benefit driven bullets, a call to action, and an opt-in form. Finally, once they opt into our email list, we need to send them a welcome email and provide what we promised in the squeeze page. This is important as we need to provide them immediate gratification. In the next few series of emails, you are going to tell a story. Story-based emails work well. And at the end of each story, you could promote an offer. For example, in your welcome email, if you establish that in the next few series of emails, you are going to tell them a story as to how you lost 15 pounds in 15 days. So you could have an autoresponder email series of 15 emails, and in each email you could tell them how you lost that much pounds. For example, by lifting weights, eating supplements. Each of these can be one email, and at the end of each of these emails you could promote an offer. So in the next video we will see examples of each of these components that I talked about.